So we're taking a look at number 1 here, and we're going to start by substituting in the 2 for a. Next, we're going to look at inside the absolute value bars, and we're going to solve that. So we have 2 minus 5. Continue to draw our absolute value bars, and we have negative 3. Now we talked about absolute value, and that's the distance from 0. Distance can never be negative, so it's just 3 there. And we subtract 1, so our final answer for number 1 is 2. Now we're looking at number 2, and we have a b here, so we'll be substituting in negative 3 for b. And we continue to draw our absolute value bars, so you have negative 3 plus 1 plus 8. We're then working on negative 3 plus 1, that's negative 2 plus 8. Like we said before, absolute value is the distance from 0. Distance can be negative, so negative 2 becomes 2, and then we have 2 plus 8. That simplifies down to 10. We are looking at number 3 now, and we have 5 minus c plus 1, the absolute value of that. So we will substitute in our negative 4 for c, that is 5. As we continue to work, we'll look at what's focused in the absolute value bars, and that's negative 4 plus 1. So that becomes 5 minus the absolute value of negative 3. And going back, negative 3, that becomes just a 3. That's the absolute value of that. So 5 minus 3 to have an answer of 2. So lastly, we're taking a look at number 4, and we have the absolute value of a plus b minus c. So we're going to be substituting in 2 for a. We have plus negative 3 for b. And then minus negative 4. Now in class we talked about keep, change, change. So this can be written as now as 2 plus negative 3, absolute value of that, plus 4. We have 2 plus negative 3 inside the absolute value bars, and we know that is negative 1 plus our 4. We're looking at the negative 1, the absolute value of that that's just 1 plus 4, and we have 5 for that.